First, join the palm. Relax your body, your breath here. Om chanting 3 times together. Long inhale. Gently of your palm. Upon your feet. Look at your palm with a smile. Namaste. Good morning. Today we are doing traditional Hatha Yoga. Okay. Now, first neck movement and with the breath. Inhale your neck up. Exhale neck down. Your chin touches your collarbone with the breath. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Down. Inhale up and hold. Hold your breath there. Hold your breath also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale down. Your chin touches the collarbone. Hold your breath outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up. Neck rotation clockwise. 1, 2. Inhale up and exhale down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax please. Your both hands put on your shoulder. Okay, you can catch your fist and your thumb touches the shoulder. Long inhale and exhale. Shoulder rotation. 2, 3. Very good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's long inhale and exhale. Here, interlock both hands. Long inhale your both hands, touch your palms facing upward toward the sky with the breath. Inhale up, stretch your body upside. Exhale Drop your hand on your head. Tadasana. Inhale up. Stretch your body towards the sky. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Tight up. Exhale. Inhale up and hold your breath there and hold your posture. 1, 2, very good. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Relax please. Long inhale and exhale. Again interlock both hands and this is upside. Long inhale. Exhale, bend your body. Tiryak Tarasana we are doing. Bend your body towards the right side. Exhalation right side. Yes. Inhale up. Exhale. Maximum stretch your body. Elbow should be straight. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Elbow सीधा रखिए. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale and hold please. 1, 2 elbow straight madam. 3, 4, 5 maximum. 6 still down. 7 stretch. 8 to the repeat. 9, 10 up. Long inhale. Exhale other side. 1, it is like 2 very good. 3 more. 4 go. 5 elbow straight. 6, 7, 8, 9 up. Long inhale and exhale. Kati Chakrasana. Long inhale. Little bit back, madam. Yes. You both on shoulder level. Long inhale. Exhale your with the exhalation, your left hand back on the spine and right hand put on left shoulder and twist your body towards the left side here. Inhale forward with the breath. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Maximum twist. Long inhale. Exhale. More. Long inhale. Exhale and hold here please. 1, maximum twist. 1, 2 here. Just try to look your heel. 4, 5, yes. 6 more. 7, 8 इधर देखिए. 9, 10 long inhale. Exhale other side please. More. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Relax please. Now Hastasana and Padhastasana, okay? You both hand here put on thighs. Long inhale, you both hand up. Exhale, bend back. Inhale, come to the center. Very good. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Stretch your body, close your body. Inhale, up. Exhale, bend back according to you, please. Inhale up. Aram se. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Yes. Inhale up. Exhale, bend back. Inhale up. Exhale down, forward. Aram se together. Inhale up. Exhale, bend back. More back. Yes. Inhale up. Aram se. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Now last one. Inhale up. Exhale, bend back and hold here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, more, 9, up. Inhale up, exhale down, Padhastasana. Close your body. Close your body. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Relax please. Up. Long inhale. Exhale, relax your body here. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Now traditional Hatha Yoga, Hatha Yoga, Surya Namaskar. Okay, come top of the mat with the breath. First, join the palm. Yes, front of your heart is in. Inhale, your both hand up, bend back. Inhale up, bend back. Very good. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Drop your knee, heart in chin, Ashtanga Namaskar. Very good. Inhale up in Bhujangasana. Exhale down, Parvatasana. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, left leg forward with a breath. Very good. Inhale up, bend back, Ashtanga. Exhale down, Padhastasana here. Continue. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Drop your heart in chin. Ashtanga Namaskar. Up in Bhujangasana. Very good. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale up, bend back. Yes. Exhale, join to palm, front of the heart is in. Yes. Inhale up, bend back. Exhale down, Padhastasana. With a breath. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Drop your knee, your heart is under chin. Inhale up in Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale up, bend back. Join the palm. Yes. Inhale up. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale, left leg back. Drop your knee, your heart and your chin. Very good. Inhale up in Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale up, bend back. Bend back, maximum back. Yes, join the palm. Inhale, both hand up, bend back. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Inhale, right leg back with a breath. Exhale, left leg back. Drop your near heart in chin. Up in Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, right leg forward. Exhale, left leg forward. Inhale up, bend back. Yes. And join the palm. Samasthiti. Just relax for a few seconds. Shake your legs and you have to relax your body. Long inhale and exhale. Now, with the left hand we are doing join the palm. Yes. Inhale, keep both hand up, bend back. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, right leg back. Drop your knee, heart in chin. Up in Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, left leg bring forward. Exhale, right leg forward. Inhale up, bend back. Bend back. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Join the palm, please here. Up. Yes. Inhale, both hand up, bend back. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, right leg back. Drop your near heart in chin. Up in Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, left leg forward. Exhale, right leg forward. Inhale up, bend back. More back, please. Now, join the palm. Inhale, both hand up, bend back. More back. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Inhale, left leg back. Exhale, right leg back. Drop your heart in chin. Up in Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, left leg forward. Exhale, right leg forward. Inhale up, bend back. Join the palm. Last down here. Inhale, your both hand up, bend back. Exhale down, Padhastasana. Inhale, your left leg back. Exhale, right leg back. Drop in heart in chin. Up in Bhujangasana. Parvatasana. Left leg forward. Right leg forward. Inhale up, bend back. Bend back, please. And join the palm. Relax this. Relax your body. Relax your breath. Take a couple more breaths here. Long inhale. Exhale. Now, Vrikshasana. Repose your right leg forward and you put on your left inner thigh. Just relax your mind here and slowly both hand up and join the palm. Slowly, yes. Maintain balance. Just relax your breath. 1, 2, 3. Very good. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release your hand. Release your leg. Very good. Now switch your leg, please. Your left leg fold and you put on your right inner thighs. Just relax your mind here and slowly both hand up. Your gaze on a fixed point. Drishti samne. 1, 2, 3, 4. आराम से. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly release your hand first. Release your leg. Long inhale and exhale. Eagle pose. First you have to bend your both knee. Your left leg roll on right like this cross. And your left elbow up, right elbow down, interlock both hand and look up. Here. Yes, look up. 1. Very good. Look up. 1, 2. Yes. 3, 4, 5. Balance आराम से. 6, 7, 8, 9. Up. Switch your leg, please. Your right leg roll on the left. Yes. And your right elbow up, interlock both and look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see.